Introduction to vertical farming. Vertical farming is a revolutionary approach to agriculture that utilizes vertical space to cultivate crops, rather than traditional horizontal farming methods. It involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, often within indoor-controlled environments. Challenges in vertical farming. Soil degradation. Traditional methods like tilling can lead to soil erosion, nutrient depletion, and decreased organic matter, compromising long-term fertility. Water usage. Traditional methods are often less efficient in water usage, leading to greater risk of overexploitation and impacting surrounding ecosystems. Lower yields. Traditional methods often have lower crop yields compared to modern farming techniques, impacting food security and farmer income. What is vertical farming? Vertical farming refers to the system of cultivating crops in vertically stacked layers instead of a single surface, like a greenhouse or field. Generally, cultivators incorporate these into vertical structures, such as shipping barrels, skyscrapers, used warehouses, and abandoned mine shafts. This farming method uses controlled environment agriculture, CEA technology, to monitor required humidity, temperature, gases, and light in indoor conditions. For instance, farmers use artificial lighting and metal reflectors to mimic natural sunlight. Types of vertical farming. Building-based farm. Recycled shipping containers are an increasingly popular option for housing vertical farming systems. The shipping containers serve as standardized, modular chambers for growing a variety of plants and are often equipped with LED lighting, vertically stacked hydroponics, smart climate controls, and monitoring sensors. Moreover, by stacking the shipping containers, farms can save space even further and achieve higher yield per unit area. Deep farms. A deep farm is a vertical farm built from refurbished underground tunnels or abandoned mine shafts. As temperature and humidity underground are generally temperate and constant, deep farms require less energy for heating. Deep farms can also use nearby groundwater to reduce the cost of water supply. Despite low costs, a deep farm can produce 7 to 9 times more food than a conventional farm above ground on the same area of land, according to Safa Riffat, Chair in Sustainable Energy at the University of Nottingham. Coupled with automated harvesting systems, these underground farms can be fully self-sufficient. Floating farms, floating platforms and barges have been proposed as sites for vertical farming in urban areas where land is scarce. The ongoing Science Barge project first demonstrated urban hydroponic agriculture in New York City in 2007, including several vertical farming systems. A much larger vision of sloped floating skyscrapers has been proposed for Singapore. In this case, the unusual angular design is intended to exploit the open space over the water to capture more sunlight.